Good morning, friends. Today, in my episode, I will explain about the quadratic equation. Basically, quadratic equations, the importance of quadratic equation you have seen from ninth standard to higher education also. The use of quadratic equation in our real life, looking the bank examinations or any other competitive examination, quadratic equations are basically asked in all examination. This also helpful to BBA and MBA student also. So before the starting the session about quadratic equation, I want to explain some basic things about number system. This will very helpful to understand the quadratic equation. So I am starting the basic term about number system. So first you learn about the basic number system, then we will start to quadratic equations. Number system, if we go, then first thing came in notice that counting numbers. In our applied life, the importance of counting number is very high. Suppose we want to count anything, we need counting numbers. So in Hindi, counting number start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 I am telling, including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From these numbers 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From combination of these numbers we go to very high number and we will get more and more number. So in English, the basic numbers, the counting numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the higher to higher counting numbers can be made. So basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I am excluding 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 only. I am taking only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are called the natural number. These numbers are called the natural number. What is the natural number? Natural number is basically the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. These are the natural numbers. But if we look, if we observe, if we start to count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on, these numbers are called the including 0. We have include the whole number. These are the whole number. Whole number means including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same way, natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, we are looking and we have observed in our life there is a negative number also. So, from this minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers are called the integers. These numbers are called the integers. Basically, the importance of number minus 0, minus number 0 and all other numbers, positive numbers, 0, positive numbers and negative numbers, the combination, the set of the number from 0 to positive number and negative number is called the integers. So there are so many basic things before starting the quadratic equation we must know. This is the I am telling about the integers. Now I am telling there is the decimal point. Just for example, there is the number 0, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1.5, minus 2, minus 2.5, all numbers which are indicated in a line. If we plot the graph on x-axis and y-axis, horizontally or vertically, these numbers if we plot on the lines, so we can say, if we represent the numbers on line, we can say we call them as real numbers. In the real numbers, decimal point included, and we can write in a line also. These numbers are the real numbers. So I am explaining to you basically about the number system. In the number system there are natural number, whole number. After whole number there is integers. After integers we have got the real numbers. After this I am telling the rational number. What is the rational number? If a number having ratio form, for example 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, these numbers are the rational number. These numbers are called in the fraction. But in standard form, you can see the rational number of p by q. The p is the numerator and q is the denominator. The formation of a number p by q and you understand q is not equal to 0, then p by q is called the rational number. Same way, irrational number. What is the irrational number? The irrational number is that number, for example, pi. The meaning of the pi, the value of the pi is 3.14, 141 and so on. So last decimal point, the 3.141 and so on, that there is no terminating number, that will continue to repeat. So these numbers are called the irrational number. Understand the root 2. The value of root 2 is equal to 1 point something. After decimal, you look, there is a repeating number, not any terminating number. Continue will come. The value of the continue will come. When we get the meaning, when we try to get the value of root 2, we will get after decimal continue number. So these numbers are known as irrational number. The rational number is basically in fraction form, and irrational number in the form of what? In the form of after decimal, not terminating number, will get a continuous number. I am telling the two examples about the irrational number pi and value of root 2. The value of pi and the value of root 2. These are the irrational numbers. So basically I explained you number system. First one natural number, after that whole number, after that I tell you integer, after that I explain you the real number, and after this I explain you rational number and irrational number. So there are in number system many kind of sets of numbers which I already explained you. So before starting the quadratic equation, we understand there are something variable and constants. We understand the variable and constant. Variable basically in mathematics everywhere we will get x, y, z. These are basically used in our applied mathematics. X, y, z, where denotes x, y, z are variables. And constants a, b, c, basically we write in our mathematics a, b, c are constants. So I am telling you basically these 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers used as a constant. Basically it will come the number has, if 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, that is not vary. 1 have own value, 2 have own value, 3 have own value. Right now, if you are these are the constant numbers, their value is fixed. Right now, if we come x, we say x is variable. X is variable means the value of x can be changed. If we write x equal to 1, then value of x is equal to 1. If we tell x is equal to 2, the value of x is equal to 2. If we say x is equal to 3, the value of x is equal to 3. So there are I am telling you constant and variables. So y, same way, if we write y is equal to 1, the value of y is equal to 1. X and y, the symbol x and y always if you look generally write as a variables, and a b c that in the form of constant. This will come so many if we, this is not fixed, but generally we are right. So I am telling you something about the, before starting the quadratic equation you have to know some term, like we tell about, I tell you 1. If you write 1, this is the 1 number. But if we add 1 plus 1, this is equal to 2. This is the simple addition. But if we write 1 plus x, 1 plus x, or we write x plus 1, then what happens? There is a letter come and we try to add that. Now if we say 1 plus x, x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If we say x is equal to 2, put 1 plus x, 1 plus 2, instead of x we put the value of x is equal to 2, we will get 3. So we can say, if we putting the value of x, that is variables, we get the alternative number. So now it is very clear the constant and the variables. There is a term, there is a sum term. They say if we write ax, I said a is not equal to 0 and x has some value. Ax, if we say a is not equal to 0, the value of a is 1 and x have same. Instead of a we write 1, then we can say ax become x only, because we are telling a is equal to 1. It means there is a relation between 1 and x. I am trying to explain you this. As like this. Okay, later I will explain it. Now understand two terms, 3 into 5. 3 multiplied by 5. We will get 15. 3 into 5. Now we understand 3 into x. 3 multiplied by x. This is equal to 3x. Multiplication of a number 3 into x. This is equal to 3x. So 3 is the known, the 3 is the multiplied by x, where x is a variable, then 3 is multiplied by x. 3 number is called the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of x. In the mathematics we say 3 is the factor of x, because this the 3 is multiplied by x. So there are lot of things, 3y, 5y, 6y. So 3y is a term, 3x is a term which have one term. You can say this is the monomial. You can say this is the monomial. Now if we say 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1, 3x plus what happens? There is a term add 1 also. So this is the polynomial या binomial. इसको दो there add two terms 3x plus 1, तो this will be binomial. मतलब इसमें दो पद हो गए. पहले तो हमने बताया 3x एक पद है, इसके बाद उसमें 1 हमने जोड़ दिया, 3x plus 1 दो पद हो गए, तो दो टर्म हो गए. तो दिस इज द binomial. Now we write 3x plus 4x square plus 1. Right now we add 4x square. So this is the 3 term. So it trinomial हो गया. This will become as a trinomial. So we basically looked 1 term, 2 term, 3 term and so on. So these terms from one to other terms, when we add in one term, they all known as the polynomials. So this is the basic point of the monomials, polynomials. Now if we talk about the degree of x, let's say if we write 3x, so here the degree of x is only 1, because we are written basically I have written 3x, the degree of x is 1. Degree means the power of x. Now if we say 3x square, x square, the degree of x square is 2. The power of x square is 2. Now we say 3x cube, x per power 3, x to the power 3. So there is the x degree of x is equal to 3. So if we carefully see या carefully analyze the thing, ax square, I say ax square plus bx plus c, this is the trinomial and degree of 2 equation, because the higher degree in the equation in a किसी expression is say the degree of that polynomial. Now I am finishing my episode. Next time I will come in front of you practically to understand the number system and the quadratic equations. So you also note down what I am telling, you will understand, you will get a lot of things about that. Thank you.